Hello everyone, thank you for taking the time to subscribe to the channel. I greatly appreciate that. Thanks for connecting everyone. Let's start off with the sun. Then we're going to go look at a bit of everything. Some chemtrails from yesterday morning early. They're starting to spray again with the intentions, I imagine, to hide the events coming. We have a conjunction with Saturn and Jupiter tomorrow, I believe, tomorrow in the evening, or the 21st. We have also the Ursids meteor showers. So again, they're starting to spray. This is on the sun. We're going to take a look at the sun, then we'll head over to the moon to look at some UFOs and new details. And then again, like I said, back to the chemtrails. One of the largest asteroids that I had a chance of capturing. Look at that. And you can see the transitioning of it, the different intensity of heat. Watch every row of atmosphere over the sun. It changes. Now it's catching on fire. Then here again, as it goes further away, gets even smoky. You can see it changing as it's leaving the sun's path. I catch a lot of cool things out there. I always love sharing them with you. Check this out. This is obviously, we know there's asteroids and debris. Whether it's metal, ice breaks up really fast when it goes through the sun, that's for sure. But this could be debris also. But either way, it's traveling by the sun. I guess it doesn't get very impressive until it sinks in on exactly how big these objects are. Like, for example, the sun as compared to Earth. And you see this large object catching on fire going across the sun, pretty close to the sun actually. And this other object going by the sun, there's lots of them actually. If I was there every day, I'd probably catch a lot more. But we can never have that chance because of the weather. So here's the interesting thing. Now we know why I was seeing flashes on Venus. Venus is close to the sun, everyone. Don't forget that. And this was at the end, July and August, that I was capturing flashes on Venus. Even in February, if I'm not mistaken. So what does that mean? Well, they're talking about the sun actively waking up. They're talking about a whole bunch of solar flares that we're going to see from here to 2025, especially in 2025. And we'll be looking out for that. So a lot of flashes on Venus, and three different moments where I got those flashes on Venus that we can see here. Here's that one object and that one moment, and here's Venus again from further out. This was just at the end, like I said, when Venus went out of our view, actually, by the way. So I'm looking forward for it to coming back and getting closer so we can examine it again. I tend to think the sun will be in the news. So check it out. Venus, that light that you see on the bottom right is Venus, the light that's coming from Venus. Now look at the light that went around Venus. It's absolutely incredible. So this too, fast radio bursts. This is further out that we can see more bursts at the same time also as the Venus flashes. Listen, my friends, for those of you who are really awake, the Great Reset and the changing of weather, the booms we're hearing, earthquakes, volcanoes starting and stuff, I hope you are just looking around, getting familiar with the new settings that are around us and the new world that we have to adapt in. This is in infrared that I love. Inversion. It is the moon. But look at the flash. It's not a flash that is going by an asteroid or something. It's something that took off and veered left. I like seeing that, boy. And this I don't. What could be there in the bright areas leading up to these structures? Could there be other smaller structures? I think of all these crazy things when I see this area. And, more and more that I'm seeing the crap here on Earth, more and more I'm like, ooh, right? They're actually talking, while you look at a UFO illuminating and the illumination going down, like rocketing down, I don't know what you want to call it, maybe powering off if you want. Look at the surface. The Israeli chief of some important space, whatever, is talking, right, about the existence of aliens, and not just that, but that there was a contact already made, talking about ships that could possibly be inside of the oceans. Now listen, the craft that they showed looks like a ship that would lodge itself, like a bug in your arm, like a little a flea or a tick would do in the arm and bury itself in your arm. The UFOs, I believe, they're possibly doing that in the ocean. Does that have to do with any of the bangs? I don't know, but man, is it intriguing. I'm really happy they're talking about it. I believe it is the beginning of soft disclosure for sure. These UFOs, I'm going to show you some that are, there's that black dot, that are taking some very strange paths at high speeds, winding from left to right, which is absolutely impossible that an airplane or anything that we've ever made on Earth can do. And again, this is what the ufology community is looking for. We'll check that out in a bit. Here we are, ladies and gents. Check the UFO on the left, the light. There's a lot that's going to be going on. There'll be more on the right. But in general, watch the winding path that UFO is going to take. I'm going to go forward and backwards to show you what happens. At one point it disappears and it looks like it either veers right. And you'll see here as I go forward and backwards. Right here, watch closely. Whoa. Bing, bing, like a triangular motion shape. Notice the synchronicity, the timing of the lights, where some lights disappear in one crater, they appear simultaneously in another crater. It's proving that it's a light system. It's proving it. Check it out. Watch the light now. Boom, 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 left and right. Watch this. Boom, boom, boom. Then two on the right appear simultaneously. Look at that. Changing direction, if it's possible. How could it even be possible? It's going by so bloody fast. It's for sure. We know it's not anything military here. Not that they spoke about. How advanced is top secret military on Earth in countries? I mean, listen. I know they can be advanced there, but come on. Are they that advanced? December 19th, 7 a.m. in the morning, I went outside and I noticed immediately, maybe 10, 15 minutes before, these planes went by and formed perfect X's once again over the house. Got some nice, disgusting shots of the X's. I hope you appreciate them. I know I do. I like seeing these proofs in the sky that they're actually spraying for some reason. We know there are events coming, the Ursid meteor showers. That's probably why they're spraying for the sun. What about that geomagnetic storm that they talked about was dangerous, and then no mention about anything? If we're seeing them spraying and it has to do with some type of problem, maybe a hole in the ozone, we'll probably never know. If it wasn't for my amazing community, this channel wouldn't even exist. Thanks a whole bunch, everyone. I really appreciate it. Slow disclosure is in progress. More information will be coming. A lot more. Aliens are gone.